Hey guys, it's the Service Guru at the Service Shack with another episode of Tips and Tricks. With the increased workload placed on automated collection during the COVID-19 pandemic, maintaining your operator's productivity is critical. That's why we created the can shake feature on the new Command-SST. With the unique rotary actuator found only on the Command-SST, you don't have to shake the whole can to get the trash out. With the push of a single button on your joystick, the operator can engage the can shake feature to dislodge cardboard or wet waste. If you're running the Heil autonomous lift option or Halo for the ASL, and you've installed the optional foot switch controller, you can engage the can shake feature by pressing the foot switch with eyes forward and both hands on the wheel. The Command-SST and its unique rotary actuator brings several new technologies to make refuse collection both safer and more productive. If you have any questions about the Command-SST and what it can do for your operation, visit our website at www.heil.com or contact your local Heil dealer. Remember, we're always here to help, and we're all in this together.